Next, general defense is the right of private defense. It is from the section 96 to 106. Right of private defense. So every person has the right to defend his own person against injury or a restraint and his own property against any act which is an offense falling under the definition of a theft, robbery, mischief or criminal trespass. Means here every person has a right to defend his own person or a property against any act which can harm his own body or a property. Section 97 says that the right of a private defense is of two types: right of a private defense of a body and a right of a private defense of a property. Up till now we have seen the 7 general exceptions. From that, the first is the mistake of a fact. In that, first is the act done by a person who is bound or by the mistake of a fact believes himself bound by the law. That is section 76. Second is the act done by a person justified or by the mistake of a fact believing himself justified by the law. Second exception is the judicial acts. Then accident. Fourth is the absence of criminal intent. In that there are 7 subheads. Out of that, first is the act done to avoid other harm. Second is the act of a child. Then act of an insane person. Then act of an intoxicated person. Then bona fide act done for another's benefit. Then communication made in a good faith. And last is the act done under compulsion or a threat. Fourth general exception is the absence of criminal intent. Then fifth is the act done with consent. In this, what is not a consent as per section 90 is given, and then importance of consent. Sixth is the trifling acts. And seventh is the right of a private defense.